making more plants with the soda bottle experiment. What do you do when you have run out of room to make more plants? You keep on making more plants. That's how it is around here. But today I want to show you how I'm doing a propagation experiment in the potted garden. This is our latest propagation experiment. We have run out of propagation stations, but this little sherbet berry really needed to be pruned because it was getting tall and we wanted it to be more bushy. It's also called Phalsa berry. I believe it is very popular in India. So we wanted to make more, of course, because we do not throw a single branch away in this family. And we came up with this little solution. We cut a soda bottle and put it over a couple of Phalsa berry cuttings. You can see they're looking really good. Here's another example where we're using an empty Taco Bell cup. I know this one I stuck in the ground on Halloween, but I forgot what it was. I'm sure I will see once it grows. I believe it was some sort of winey plant that I got a cutting from. And as you can see, it is pushing out new leaves and it's looking good. Here is a small limping fig that was growing really tall with no branches, so I cut it down, and of course I couldn't throw away the branch, so on this soda bottle, yes, look at that. This one didn't take, it looks like, well, a little time, but look at this one. Beautiful, isn't it? Yes, one makes two, and I can see the little branches coming on this one. Okay, let's put this back on, give it some more humidity. Our Barbados cherry, which we grew from a tiny little stick, has grown big, and we're getting so many Barbados cherries, I wouldn't say all year round, but many months of the year. And down here we cut off a branch. Let's see, they still look like they're surviving. Leaves are still green. It has been a little dry, and this one is the far end of where I'm watering, so I just gave it a dose of water today. Let's put it back on. Push it down a little bit hard. There we go. And hopefully it'll keep on going. So that was it for our experiment. It's about 3 to 4 weeks after. Thank you for watching. And thank you for making the world a little greener. If you enjoyed this propagation experiment, please support us by hitting that like button and subscribing so that we can bring you more great growing videos and showing you how to make more plants.